How to fix Google Chrome opens automatically unknown websites on Android. Hey everybody, welcome back to a new video. In this video, we're going to learn how we can fix that issue. So without any delay, let's start with the process on how we can fix it. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So in order to do that, you need to open up your Chrome browser in your device, mobile device on your Android, and you just need to head over to the top three dot. After that, you just need to open up your one of the browser, let's say YouTube for now. After that is done, you just need to click on three dot and you need to turn on this desktop site. After that is turned on, you just need to head over to the three dot again, and this time go to settings. Just tap on settings and scroll down a bit until you're able to see privacy and security. Just head over to privacy and security, tap on delete browsing data, and you're gonna select to go to basic, and you're just gonna select the browsing history, cookies and site data, cached images and file, and time runs all time. And on the advanced also, you're just gonna select browsing history, cookie site and data, cache, email, and tap on delete data. After the data is deleted from your Chrome browser, you're just going to close your Chrome browser and head over to your main settings of a device. After heading over there, you're just going to go to the app section, and here you're just going to search for Chrome, or you may just scroll down until you're able to find Chrome. So after that, just click on Chrome and go under storage. After going on storage, you may just clear cache and see if that fixes your issue or not. So therefore, just follow that method and you should be able to fix your issue. So I hope this video was helpful to you. And thank you for watching this video.